Previously on Gears and Gasoline.
I'm the reason why this thing won't idle. And it was because I damaged not one, but 2 injectors. Did not pay attention to when they were going in. I thought I was, and instead it sandwiched itself against the head and messed up the spray pattern. That would be a damaged injector. You can see by the difference in injectors here, I guess I was getting into a rush trying to get this thing running and wasn't paying attention and damaged the injector. This is a good injector, this is my mistake. Good injector, my mistake. And it's a very expensive mistake, so best believe I'm not gonna ruin these yet again.
No, Mark, if it gives you any trouble, just remember, force it.
Yes. Yeah, I guess you're gonna have me start it?
Of course, it's your build.
Ooh. All right. I guess I got nothing to worry about, right? We put the injectors in. The injectors are in right. You double verified me. So, and then I triple verified you. Because it ran great the first time, so it should run great this time. Any leaks?
Nope.
All right. You ready?
Go for it, buddy.
I'm sure everybody else is ready.
Let's do it.
This battery has seen better days. Oil pressure 101.
Now that's
Purring like a kid.
that is purring like a kitten. That sounds
It was
beautiful.
purring like a kitten.
Yeah, no, it just cuts itself off.
So, unfortunately, the Talon won't stay running. In the interest of time, we have a couple other Mitsubishis that we need to work on. So, unfortunately, the Talon's got to be put on the back burner for now. But it will, have its redemption soon. Vroom!
Just put it like over here or something.
Vroom!
Hey Mark, that's mine.
Yeah, see,
That's my wheel and tire.
See, what happened was, Ben Lynn was gracious enough to give me his Lime Rock ticket to Gridlife, and I would be competing in street class this weekend. I'm stealing Ben Lynn's tires for this weekend's event, because if I use the tires that are currently on the car, I will be bumped from street to track mod, and we don't want that. I'm not that fast. Obviously, we're not going to be using your wheel because you love your wheels. The white on white looks great, but the white on silver, I don't think anybody's ready for. But I do have an old wheel that's going to return. Do you remember what came on Evos?
Mark, I don't care. I
Huh?
don't care if it's a BBS.
What?
What? There's not an Enki in the world that you could replace an Advan RG4 with and not have it be an absolute travesty.
Old Faithful.
I stand corrected.
We'll be taking my Evo to Lime Rock Gridlife this year. And I just want to say thank you, Ben Lynn, for giving me your spot. I know, you don't want any of your other 4G63s to blow up, but I'm ready to have fun. I'm excited to go. I've never been to this track. I don't have words to tell you how excited I am to actually go to this pedigree type of track and run my car with my friends. And I think I'm gonna be a little bit competitive, not much, but let's see what I can do. Evo's loaded up. Now we gotta go to Thorns so that we can pick up the Civic, and then bam, we are on the road headed to Lime Rock.
Mark has already hit the road on the way to Gridlife with his Evo 10. I will be leaving tomorrow to join him up in Connecticut at Lime Rock, but I wanted to see if there was anything I could do to try and get the Talon to run before I leave town. And my last ditch effort is going to be to actually flip this cam angle sensor that he had flipped last time we were trying to get the car to run right, before we realized it was injectors, because the car was running good before we tuned it and everything. That cam angle sensor should never have changed since then. So maybe we accidentally flipped it when we didn't need to, and now it is upside down. Let's try. Cam angle sensor that is flipped, right? So at the moment it was set up like that. The engine is not top dead center, so I'm literally just flipping it around, right? So we got to set it like that and see if that helps. Obviously this is extremely disheartening. I don't know why this car isn't running properly. We haven't really changed anything besides all the stuff that we've swapped back around, so it'll take some more diagnosis, but I can't work on it anymore right now because it's getting dark and I've got to go to Gridlife.
Off in time attack. I need you to self-report. We've put on a lot of fires on the bottom of cars.
So the black stuff is supposed to be black.
Boom! He's ready.
All right.
Have fun.
Thank you so much.
Have a good life. So we have the tilted radiator set up now, PWR radiator set up. I've ducted it in the front and out the back so it goes out through the hood.
Yep.
So hopefully that'll reduce a bunch of drag. That's my hope. Hopefully there's no air pockets. Hopefully it's all okay. Hot. It cooked it. 246 degrees. It's hot. Look how much went in the overflow. It's not supposed to go in the overflow at all. Going across the start line, it was 240 every time. I have to pull out this rear ducting and run it like before with the drag, but allow air to hit the engine because maybe the engine being sealed off raises the oil temps, which then raises the coolant temp.
Like, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I used to be fast. Now I'm not fast. I feel like this old man who's like trying to re-enter the sport, but I'm having fun.
About 5 more minutes. Okay, can you send me back out?
Yeah.
I hit 260 and then coolant went all over the windshield. And I was like, oh crap. Brought it in and the temp kept climbing and I was like, dude, this is crazy.
Please cool down. 285.
Try to get some airflow through this radiator, cool down. And it kept climbing.
Oh my gosh, 290 oil temp. Oh my gosh. I've never seen such high numbers and the engine's still running. Oh my gosh. There it goes. Yeah, it's cooked.
Till the motor just stopped. All the way at the top of the hill on the other end of the paddock. It's only 269 degrees now. Thanks for the help. Well, the motor blew up. Temperature already went up to, I think, 270 by the time I pulled in. Well, that's enough pressure, I guess, to pop the radiator hose off. Since I've blown an engine now, that means you are now Gears and Gasoline's only hope.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
Oh buddy, it is all on your shoulders. You have got this.
I don't like this pressure.
You've got, listen, I'll be your mechanic. I'm really good at doing mechanical things, as you can see.
I can see that.
So-
Let me take a rain check on that.
No, I will be your mechanic.
Let me.
How does that look? It looks like some of those hoses
let me wait, Ben.
maybe too tight.
Ben,
We can loosen some of these.
No, don't
does
touch
your-
that, please.
how does your radiator
no,
look?
not that.